Baby? Baby. Baby.
My alligators are waiting for me. Aren't they pretty?
There was 2 alligators in the big
Door.
pit thing.
Door.
This one, come on.
Yes. Where's baby? Where's baby? Where's your nose? Nose. Nose. Where's your head? Where's your eyes? Where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's your nose? Nose. Don't climb on mommy. Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Ears. Where's your teeth? Teeth. Where's your teeth, baby? Teeth. Teeth. Where's your eyes? Eyes. Where's your hands? Hands. Very good. Yay! Yay! Where's Mama? Almost gone. Tor. Where's your head, Tor? Tor. Shh. Meow meow. Kids.
For me, your favorite toy? I couldn't. You're gonna want Mr. Fuzzy Man.
Hey. Come on. Come on here. What are you doing there? Where's your head? Where's your head, little guy? Where's head? You're just listening. Uh-oh. 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 Tor! Come on, let's go to Izza.
It's a big bag of chips. So then she comes up with this story about how these singles are just perfect for me. Obviously. They stink.
Cookies in there.
They seem like the perfect. Singles from Frito-Lay. Perfect size for perfect freshness.
Get a home run and drink a baby bucket meal. Save 25 to 50% on designer brands you know and love. Get it with mock dresses. Or hot swimwear for her. Save on men's polos and
What are you doing in there? Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go outside. Okay, now out. Let's go out. Out, 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 because it's dark in here. Izza! Izza! We're not going upstairs yet. Come on. Why do you want to go up? Okay. Okay, upstairs. Upstairs you go. Are you going to go upstairs by yourself?